You are committed to fasting. You are skipping meals, drinking your coffee black, sticking to your hours, but the belly fat still there, the scale frozen, and your energy barely alive. So what's going wrong? Here's the reality most people don't know. There are certain habits during fasting that actually make your body store more fat, not burn it. And the worst part, you probably think those habits are healthy. Today, we are going to fix that. So your fasting actually works for you, not against you. Stay with me until the end, because the last mistake is the one almost everyone makes. When you fast, your body is meant to flip a switch from storing energy to burning energy, from sugar burning to fat burning. That switch is controlled by one hormone, insulin, the fat storing hormone. When insulin is low, your body taps into fat reserves. When insulin rises, fat burning stops immediately. Every tiny spikes block fat burning for hours. So yes, fasting works if insulin stays low. But that's exactly where most people sabotage themselves. Some things look harmless, but they raise insulin just enough to shut down fat loss. Let's break down the most common traps. Black coffee, okay. Plain water, okay. Unsweetened tea, okay. But sweeteners, even 0 calories, artificial or natural, doesn't matter. Your brain tastes sweetness. Insulin get triggered. Flavored drinks, supplements, energy drinks powder, flavored BCAAs. Healthy drinks still taste like candy. Body react like candy. Teeny snacks, just a few nuts, just a splash of milk. Even teeny amounts tell insulin, store fat, stop burning. Rule of fasting. If it tastes like food, your body treats it like food. So, if you are consuming anything with flavor or calories, fat burning turns off, even if you are technically fasting. Let's say you fast clean. No snacks, no sweeteners, but still no results. Here the hidden reason. Your body burns muscle to protect fat. Why? Because muscle costs the body energy. Even while resting, fat is storage, survival mood energy. If you are not eating enough protein and you do zero resistance exercise, your body thinks, let's get rid of muscle and save the fat. And when muscle goes down, metabolism goes down. Fat burning slows even during fasting. So the solution isn't fasting harder. It's fueling smarter when you eat. Protein every meal. Strength training 2 to 4 times per week. Even simple body weight exercise work. More muscle. More calories burned 24/7. Faster fat loss, better fasting results. How you end your fast matters as much as how you fast. If your first meal is cereal, toast, pasta, juice, pastry, insulin spikes through the roof, body immediately sways back to fat storage mood. Hunger goes crazy and overeating follows. You basically undo the entire fast. Instead, start your eating window like this. Protein first, eggs, fish, chicken, lentils, tofu. Add healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. Save carbs for later in your eating window, when your body can handle them without a huge fat storing signal. Break your fast right. Fat keeps burning. Metabolism stays stable. Cravings stay low. Break it wrong. Fasting becomes a cycle of stress and frustration. You can fast perfectly. But if stress and sleeps are out of control, cortisol, your stress hormone, rises, and cortisol lets your body hold on to fat, especially belly fat. So, 7 to 8 hours sleeps, hydrate well, light evening walk, magnesium-rich foods. These keep hormones in fat loss mood. Keep insulin low, no sweeteners, no flavored drinks, no teeny snacks. Protect muscle, protein inside your window plus strength training. Break your fast smart, protein plus fat first, carbs later. Manage stress plus sleep because belly fat is hormonal, not just calories. When these four things align, your body finally transitions into true fat burning mode. This isn't about starving yourself. This is about fasting the right way. If this helped, hit like so more people can finally get results too. And subscribe for more science-based tips to lose belly fat and boost your metabolism. Your next step, watch our video on best first meal to break your fast. It will completely change how fasting works for your body. See you there.